Okay, guys, so far I have 75% win rate on NASDAQ. I have backtested it from January 24 to June 24. As you can see, I have been absolutely killing it so far, and there's no way I can maintain this, but I'm gonna keep backtesting it. I'm gonna take you along for the ride, and hopefully we can keep that win rate as high as possible, but 75% is unmaintainable. That's just crazy, man. So let's see. I'm trusting more my intuition here. So let's see how it goes. This might sell off without me. No. Okay, this one is a loss. That's a little too crazy for me. So we have some losses overdue with that crazy win rate, and that is gonna be okay. We just have to wait for a clean setups and then just execute. And we're gonna have obviously some losses, but yeah, it's all good. Change in volatility is pretty ass right now. It's hard to trade. Shame. I would have loved the retracement into here, but it was also relatively late in the day, so all good. I see this come higher. It's not really the nicest price action, but I see this come higher. Okay, so that's another loss. There. Volatility is so good, man. It's crazy. No entry here, unfortunately. I would have wanted a sweep of this and then lower, but just didn't do it. This is... this is not good enough. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Uh, Patience, right now is nothing too clean happening. That is probably gonna sell off lower. Jesus Christ, this... Nice. So made the two losses back. This is looking like shit. We can take the bottom here on the 4 hour, which would be nice. Okay. It's not done selling off though, so tricky. Nothing to do. Jesus Christ, that's one sell-off, dude. Holy moly. Yeah, it does that full-blown reversals, and sometimes you just can't get in. Like, there's no break of structure, there's nothing. Yeah, like the move down and up is too strong. I was expecting something like that, but there's just no way to get in that case. And this is now too late. Potentially selling off from here again. Yeah, that is probably gonna sell off. And it did, but it's too late for me to enter or to even look for entries. I'd love to get that wick taken out. This looks good, man. I just don't like that we have equals with that, so I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass on it. Just nothing there right now. Frequency has been excellent though. Like really, really excellent. Which means over one setup per day on average. Like 1 point something. That's just great, man. Shame, man. I would have loved a bear flip here, but nothing there. I wonder when we come for that gap here. I was expecting a short from there, but we didn't even come there. These moves are crazy, man. It's just tricky to long that right now. It's out of session too much. I would have not worked at all. Oh, that is crazy, man. What the hell is that? Oh, brutal. August 24. Did we have some kind of market crash there? That's crazy, man. Shame that it doesn't resweep the low here. Big shame. Frequency going down a little bit, but it's also August. You have to keep in mind it's August. It's mostly not the best trading month. Late July as well. I mean, the volatility is there, just not really clean setups right now. Gotta refresh my browser. It's so slow. It's so slow. Brutal. It's just not clean. Nothing there. Patience. We have to execute patience, man. Volatility turning back normal, which you can see on the 4 hour. It looks like everything is tiny, but it's actually the normal volatility. I don't like the 4 hour at all right now, so that makes it a little more difficult for me to find good entries. And the low time frame doesn't show anything clean at all. There's no way to get in, man. It's nice though how it moves, man. It's crazy. Okay, we very slightly sweep the high here. Wow, this is crazy, man. Like this has been a very low setup rate frequency part of that backtesting session, man. Crazy. There's just nothing happening. Give it a proper resweep and then a good sell. Maybe come into that gap. That would be premium sells, man. Just doesn't do it. Now it does it out of session, okay. Wow, that has been a strong contrast from before when I was not recording, man. This is the first period where it's like no setups at all, man. Bruh, nothing there. That's rough, man. This could have been a trade, technically here, this rejection. But the target is so far, man. I don't know, man. It's a little too crazy for me, the volatility. It's a little tricky right now, I gotta say, man. Like, August has been terrible in the end of July. Every pair has its shitty periods. That's for sure. Okay, that's a long for me. We will probably come higher here. $14.50, Jesus Christ. That's a break even. A rare break even. I think only my second in like over 30 trades, but you can see that there's just nothing going on. Tricky, man. This could have been a possible trade here. I just wanted to see a little more. And sometimes you get missed on this because it just runs. But I'm fine. I just wanted to see a little more. So it's okay. It was a decent setup. But I just wanted to see either a second leg and then a retracement or a mitigation and rejection. But it just rejected over the fair value gap. So yeah, I was gonna wait how we react in here. And it never did so. That's okay. think we're gonna come higher though. I'm gonna think we're gonna come higher, but it's so out of session and everything. I would have been completely wrong. It's just I don't like this first leg that was so choppy, man. And obviously it was way too late then. We swept this here, which is nice. But it doesn't look convincing, man. And it's out of session. I would have worked actually, but this is just too corrective, man. Like this is not the momentum that I want to see. Setup frequency is going down. I thought my win rate would be the thing that goes down hard now, but it's actually the frequency that is going down. Yeah, this is just ranging too much, man. I don't even care. Finally, some movement here. Interesting. It's out of session, but I like this. I really like this. I think this can work. Let's give it a little more wiggle room here. Okay, let's see if how this goes. Okay, nice. Just nice. First leg, second leg. We come up, we don't reject, so I'm still not entering the trade. Obviously, if you're like YOLO, you can just enter on this rejection. But this big candle, that was like, okay, probably gonna continue down. So yeah, just waited for this to retrace. Basically put it like, yeah, just to make sure that my TP is not too far away for 2 hour. Just put the entry here and yeah. Worth waiting for. I like the setup, you know, we tap into this demand, we sweep the we are at the high of the day, you know. So I really like that. And we just had all these stacked equals. That is also a magnet for price. I wouldn't be surprised if we take this out. Not yet. Maybe we take it out early New York and then can look for a long, which we do. No, still no. Lower, please. Okay. We sweep the top instead. Sweep it twice. Ah, it doesn't read. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it, man. This, boom, boom. If we retrace, we can sell this off. But yeah, sometimes it just rips away. We have all these stacked lows here, so premium short territory. Sweep the 4 hour week here. Just beautiful stuff. Just didn't give an entry. This is now obviously out of session. Yeah, and took out the lows. Finally. Finally. That was way overdue. Need a little more context here. I don't even care about the session. This is an aggressive short. Aggressive. But that's what my mantra is for this session. I want to be aggressive. Okay. I think it's gonna come at least a little higher, making the TP a little more achievable. Nice. This looks rather ugly. It's just intuition, man. We have the break of structure here, at least a tiny fair value gap. Then we come up like crazy. But instead of sweeping the next candle or something, we have this super bearish candle again. So that's what made me think, okay, we're gonna probably make a lower low here. And the lower low means already almost at TP. And this is all, I don't know, like really NASDAQ is so volatile. It does not care about intra-leg, like within the leg, this little fair value gaps. On forex that can easily reverse price. On NASDAQ, if we get the direction change, it just pushes through it. Like it's just more aggressive, the price action. So that's why I have way less fear of this just reversing here. For example, with this wick, it mostly just follows the order flow and gets some momentum. And so yeah, that was nice. So next one. This is fun, man. This is just the win rate has been crazy, man. Just crazy. What did we do now? We had 3 winners in a row now. No. Yes. We had 2 losses at break even and 3 winners. Again, it's just we sweep all these wicks here and the previous daily low. Then we make this beautiful leg, but I'm just, I don't know, man. Like I could have taken this trade. I just thought, and this is maybe my mistake, I need to adjust a little more here. Look at this beautiful trade. When I see this, maybe this should be enough for me to enter. Or maybe even here for less RR. Or let's see if it would have come for the 2R. Yeah. I don't know, man. I have to adjust. I expect too many pullbacks and it just doesn't pull back so often. This is on me and this is not the first winner that I missed because of it. It's just I'm so used to be so careful from Forex because Forex retraces just more often, man. And this can easily, if you don't confirm it, you know, it can easily just have one bearish candle stops you out right away. You're gonna look like an idiot. So it's give or take. For sure, by being careful, I gave away some winners, but for sure a lot of losers as well. So yeah, it's give or take. It's just the human nature, right? You remember always when it costs you profit because you got missed, you remember it so much more than when you would have actually taken a loss and you avoided the loss, you know. That is just such a the memory of that loss avoided is so much weaker than the missed winner. It's just human nature. I think this can sell off, but it's not too clean. And it didn't. Change in volatility is still, it's just something that you have to deal with this. It's just how it is. That's what I mean. I can enter here like in the other trade, but then it can instantly stop you out as well. So we'll probably just stick with waiting. Yeah, I was just muted here for a second. I think this comes higher. It's pretty late though. So this can be a break even if the volatility doesn't kick in. Yeah, it's so late now. What's the time here? It's already the next day, so I'm gonna go break even on this, which I don't do too often, but this is like completely out of session. I feel like I should just have closed that at partial profits, man. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna close it. It's just anything can happen when it's like the next day. Yeah, I would have won, and it's all good. I don't care about the little more RR that I could have banked here. This was way out of session. I should have. I think if I was, yeah, because the case here. You can't even hold over the day because you have massive gaps between that 1 hour that the market is closed. You can have like 5 times your stop loss size as a gap. So, not too often, but it can happen. So I would never hold something overnight. I would maximum reopen it if it's still at the more or less same price. So I think here I would have just closed it anyway at this area. So for like 1 hour, and that's okay. I gotta stop recording now, going to the gym. I'm gonna continue backtesting it later. And yeah, I'm gonna put the two clips together, or maybe I make two videos. I don't know. Catch you later, guys. Thank you.